to my channel! Today is the day na magkikita kami ng mga friends ko. And look at outside. Super misty. Hindi ko na inap yung rolly kasi aalis ako. So, I let it lang na ganon. So, yan lang. Magja-jacket ako mamaya at mag-heat tech ako. Kasi I'm really sure na super lamig outside. It's 2 degree. 2 degree. Yep, that's all. And mag-get ready lang ako. Oh, mag-hi ka na. Late ka na. Very late ka. Ito yung sakyan natin, no?
Anong oras alis niyan?
45. Mga lamigan girl. Tara, sakay tayo. Kasi malamig. Dito may heater eh. Para makapwesto na.
Sana kung yung
Saan tayo? Dito tayo?
yan.
Aha!
Ang kaso, hindi pa maano na yung ilalim. Kasi
Saan mo gusto dyan? Dyan.
Ay, ikaw gusto mo?
Saan mo gusto? Sige, dito. Alam mo, mag-picture na tayo bago ko pa makalimutan yan. Palagi pupunta ko dito. Pumunta siya, walang picture. Ikaw,
Mahaba yung kamay niya.
ay, nasan ako? Talaga ako.
Malalandod na siya.
Samantala
Ayun na
lang,
yan.
yung mga labas pa lang ako. Let's cook. Bon appetit! Look at my company, my $1 million company. today I am going outside. Because I think it's the perfect day para lumabas. It is sunny but it is cold. And mga nakaraang araw, I feel a bit lonely. And siguro ito na yung sinasabi nilang winter depression. And naiyak-iyak ako. So I decided na today lalabas, maglalakad-lakad to see the nature. Baka I'm going back again sa forest. And I will bring my camera kasi yung camera ko hindi ko na siya palaging nagagamit. So, this is my camera. This is my very first camera. Yung uso pa noon yung Canon M50 na pang vlog, but this time yung uso na is yung DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which is I have now. So, this is Canon M50 and yung lens niya, Sigma lens na 18 mm. So I'm gonna bring this, and I'm going to bring also the tripod. Okay, change plan. Kasi, bago pa ako lalabas, si Steven tumawag. And sabi niya, uuwi siya because we will go to Lucerne. So, I decided na sasama sa kanya. And so we are here in Lucerne. May i-asikasuhin si Steven about sa papers ng kanyang motorrad. Because we are going to sell our Ninja. Bakit outside? Oopsie. 5 minutes, we are done already. Ganon sila kabilis. Ganon kabilis yung mga offices dito. Hindi mo na kailangan pumila ng sobrang tagal. It's always like this here. They move so fast. They process so fast. Na like less than 5 minutes, right? It's like we wait for like just 1 minute and then you just talk to them like 2 minutes or 1 minute. Less than 5 minutes and we're finished. Good morning! It's November 7. Look at outside. We are going out today. Foggy kasi ngayon, so gusto kong ma-explore yung forest na nang foggy pa siya. Let's go! Wala talaga akong nakikita. Usually may mga view yun dyan. But wala. And also sa forest, hindi ko nakikita yung mga puno. So I think it's nice there. We'll see. We'll see kung hanggang saan ako. Siguro hindi ako pupunta dito sa loob ng forest. Kasi parang nakakatakot. Wala akong makikita, look. Ganun siya sa likod ko. See? So, here's the situation. And it's zero visibility. I mean, tinignan nyo. Look. Yun yung forest. And pag pupunta ako doon, baka nakakatakot. Kasi it's so foggy. See? Nakita akong woodpecker na bird. Kasi hindi na siya kayang i-zoom in ng camera ko. Andyan siya. Somewhere there. I don't know if you can hear it. It's winter. Okay, let's go back sa bahay. Kasi medyo natatakot akong pumunta sa forest today. Look at the view. Look at there. Sinong hindi matatakot dyan? Although wala namang danger. Pero of course, we need to be safe. na siya, foggy, katulad kanina. Hello! A little update sa fogs outside. Look at that. It's nothing.